Today's video is going to be of a Christmas present that I was given. And thank you to the person who sent it. No, not someone from YouTube. This is someone I've known from elsewhere. Anyway. Ta-da! My old friend is back. Although looking at that, I probably need to replace the blade in it. Still should be sharp. So let's get opening. And let's be extra careful because I don't know if I'm going to cut whatever's on the inside. Although the group that sent this, well the company that sent this to me, I imagine they're not going to have put it in a potentially dangerous spot. And keep cutting. Safety first. Okay. So that's going to be the invoice. And I should be able to just slot that out. Okay, that's correct. There we go. Now, for today's age, not the newest thing you could get your hands on. And whenever you're dealing with something like headphones, you kind of want to get replacement of these. So when I say that I'm pulling little pieces of black shit out of my ear, or ears, I'm not being racist, I'm not being offensive, I'm not being any of that sort of stupid thing, so... Here. Can you see that? That's why I'm pulling little pieces of black shit out of my ear. Because my current headset is falling apart. And while these can easily be removed, locating a replacement pair has been a pain in the ass. So, after I did a favour for someone, well, no, not favour, I sent them a gift. Well, this is going to solve my speaking problem. I'm thinking I might actually use this with the my recording device to see if I can get better. I have to admit, I like the way they pack this. Although a little bit too much plastic, but that can go away. And there's no need to unbox this. There really isn't. I'm a 50-50 about whether or not this stuff's better than bubble wrap. So this should be the stand. Oop. Don't want to tear that. Do things nicely. So, this was free with the headset, which is nice. Jeez. Alright, so it's made of, I think, plastic and metal. Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. How on earth did they get that together? A side snap on. Wow, it's got a bit of tension to it. Sorry, I'm really just used to getting the cheapest piece of crap, but this doesn't feel cheap. It does not feel cheap. Jeez, I even went to the trouble of putting foam at the top. I am really not used to getting the good stuff. Although some people would not probably consider this to be the good stuff, but yeesh. That kind of packing I just don't get to see. That was dangerous. There we go. Oh. That could have been bad. I feel like I actually want to put that back in there, but I won't. Open this with it. Oh, you opened the bottom? What the hell? Ooh, that smell. It's not a smell I get to smell very often. New things. Well, not as often as I would like. Huh. It's designed on purpose. So this is how it comes boxed, huh? Yeah, I don't think I want to break that. So that's a volume knob. Oh wow, that's different. Yeah, okay. So I can see why these are wow. Okay. Let's take this off. So these should fit in here. Probably not. Now this I gotta try to hook up to the iPhone. So just a sec. Okay, testing audio, testing the headset. I will guess I will see if that works better when I try the recording. Oh well, I hope you can hear you. This has been a rather fun unboxing of my new Wow. Actually, is that going to fit on there? Careful. So let's take a look at what they send in the instructions. Is it going to come out? Nope. So what do we got on here? Total plethora of languages. Liability, intended use, manufacturing declaration. will say that I'm not going to even properly look at that because there's no need to. This is a set of headphones with a microphone attached. It's not bloody rocket science. Although some people probably would consider it is magic. Anyway, this has been my unboxing of the Christmas present GSP 301 gaming headset from Sennheiser. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Yibbity yibbita.